Ever noticed how hard it feels to make progress online? You try one tool, then another, spend hours and hours of learning, yet the results just don't seem to add up. I know exactly frustrating that is because I've been there too. Hi, for those who don't know me, I'm Anne. I build Converzia Hub specifically for helping creators like you. The truth is, it's not about chasing more and more tools or working harder. What really matters is having a clear system, a framework that turns all your effort into consistent results. And with Converzia Hub, the name says it all. Everything we do here is about helping you focus on what truly matters online, that is conversions. Whether that's turning visitors into subscribers, subscribers into customers, or simply your time into measurable growth, conversions are the engine of online success, as we all know. Inside Converzia Hub, I share the roadmap, which I wish I had when I started. It's designed to cut through the noise and guide you step by step, from building your foundation to creating an online presence to streamlining and scaling with tools that actually work together. So imagine yourself a few months from now looking back and realizing this was the moment you stopped struggling and started building with clarity after using Converzia Hub. I'm sure your future self will definitely be thanking you for taking such an important step in your journey to financial freedom. Don't just keep searching for the next shortcut or shiny object. Build something real, something that actually works. Click the link below and take the first step today. Don't forget to also share and subscribe to our channel.